How to set up your Telegram username on your Android. So for that, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your device. Once you have launched the Telegram app, here you have to log in into your account and you have to write your phone number and log in into your account. Once you have been logging into your account, you can see the three horizontal line which is on the top left corner of the screen. Just go and open up that menu and here you will see your profile information. You have to tap on your profile picture or your name at the top, and after you are here, you can see your username. So in your profile, you have to look for the username section. Once you are here, you have to just go for the username, and here on your username, so username must be at least 5 characters long. So you can just go and type your username here. And after typing your username, you have to just go for the right click option. So the Telegram will automatically check if the username is available or not. Once you have found your username, you have to tap on the check mark which is on the top right corner of the screen to save it. So your username is now set. You can save this username with others so they can find you on your Telegram without needing your phone number. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.